concept has been embraced by both Volkswagen and its fans. We usually end up seeing some pretty sweet concept cars like a Porsche-powered VW Type 2 or the bonkers mid-engine VW GTI W12. This year, we'll see the new VW Golf GTI TCR prototype, a near-production-ready hot hatch that goes into production this fall. The name comes from the GTI TCR race car. The production version is powered by a turbocharged inline-4 making 286 horsepower and 273 pound-feet of torque. That's just 6 horsepower shy of the VW Golf R, but 20 fewer ponies than the GTI Club Sport S. Power is sent to the front wheels through a 7-speed DSG dual-clutch transmission. Traction is kept in check thanks to a mechanical limited slip differential. The car's top speed is 155 miles per hour, though the limiter can be removed and the top speed raised to 164 miles per hour. No word on if the production version will make it to the US. We'd love to see the car here, but there might be too much in-house competition with the Golf R.